Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and very good evening to all of you. You are watching your Shahid Sir's channel, Shahid Sir's physics class. So today our topic is power of lens. Very simple topic, and in fact it is the last topic of the chapter number first. ठीक है? So चलते हैं बेटा, power of lens. As you can see on the board very clearly, power of lens is defined as the ability of the lens to converge the rays of light falling on it. So याद रखना है बेटा, power of lens किसको कहते हैं आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. जो हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस हैज द प्रॉपर्टी कि जब इसके when rays are incident on convex lens, it has the property to converge these rays. So simply the ability of a convex lens, it is the ability of a convex lens to converge the rays falling on it, to converge the rays falling on it. One more point, since the convex lens has the property of convergence, it is said to have positive power of lens. Yes, since it has the property to converge the rays. And concave lens, it has the property to diverge the rays, and that's why concave lens has a negative power of lens. Negative power of lens. So my dear students and my dear viewers and my dear friends, you have to remember what's the power. Power here means ability of a lens to converge. Here the power of lens is only to converge the rays that are falling on it. But if the rays falling on any lens but they diverge, that is not the power of lens. No, the power of lens is there, but that is negative. So power of lens is said to be positive when it converges, and power of lens is said to be negative if the rays falling on it diverge. So convex lens has the positive power of lens, and concave lens has the negative power of lens. Is it clear? Very nice of you. Now this was the qualitative definition, but from the physics point of view, how can you measure that how much the lens has the property of convergence and how much it has the property of divergence? For that you have to simply remember power of lens is denoted by P, and it is said that power of lens is inversely proportional to the focal length of the lens. Very good. So this is the property. So for the power of lens, the focal length is inversely proportional. What does it mean? If the lens has small focal length, power of lens is greater. So smaller the focal length, greater is the power of lens. Greater the focal length, smaller is the power of lens. So power of lens किसका ज्यादा होगा? जिसकी focal length कम होगी. क्यों? Because आपका expression ही बोल रहा है कि power of lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. I hope it is clear too. So these are the two things. Now third thing, sir, what is the SI unit? What is the SI unit? The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. Yes, it is diopter. Please remember beta, one more question can be asked in your examinations. Diopter is the SI unit of power of lens. Power of lens. वहां पे अगर क्वेश्चन आएगा what is 1D? 1D means what is 1 diopter? याद रखना है 1D will be equal to 1 by 1 centimeter. If the focal length of the lens is 1 centimeter, at that time you can say that power of lens is 1 diopter. So here I will write power of lens is said to be 1 diopter if its focal length is 1 centimeter. Very good. सो दिस एक्सप्रेशन, अगर हम इसको प्रोपोर्शनलिटी कॉन्स्ट को हटाएंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द एक्सप्रेशन 1/f. बट रिमेंबर माय डियर, दिस इज व्हेन द फोकल लेंथ इज इन मीटर. व्हेन द फोकल लेंथ इज मीटर. अगर फोकल लेंथ अब सेंटीमीटर में होगी तो P विल बी इक्वल टू 1/f/100. तो ये ऊपर चला जाएगा तो what expression you will get? P will be equal to 100/f सेंटीमीटर. मैंने दो फॉर्मूलाज क्यों लिखे? इफ द क्वेश्चन इज इन मीटर्स, अगर आपका क्वेश्चन वहां पे फोकल लेंथ मीटर में होगी तो आपको ये वाली फार्मूला लिखनी है. अगर वहां पे फोकल लेंथ अब सेंटीमीटर में आ गई तो आपको कौन सी फार्मूला लिखनी है? P इज इक्वल 100/f सेंटीमीटर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. सिंपल एक न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम हो जाए. वेरी गुड, ठीक है. तो वेरी सिंपल. तो इसके साथ ही हम आज ये यूनिट कंप्लीट करने जा रहे हैं. हम लिखेंगे कैलकुलेट पावर ऑफ a lens of an eye if the focal length of eye is 25 centimeter. Very good. So here what is given, my dear? Given is 25 centimeter is the focal length, and you know power, if it is centimeter, so we have to remember f centimeter हमें लिखना है. तो पावर विल बी इक्वल टू 100/f के बदले क्या लिखेंगे? 25. 25 1 जा 24 जा, तो P विल बी इक्वल टू +4. यहां पे मैंने D लिखा. आप मुझे बोले प्लस क्यों लिखा और D क्यों लिखा? प्लस इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि यहां पे पावर ऑफ लेंस निकालना था आई का, तो आई में बेटा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होता है, तो इसलिए पॉजिटिव. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस पावर ऑफ लेंस पॉजिटिव, कनकेव लेंस पावर ऑफ लेंस नेगेटिव. समझ आया? अगर कॉन्वेक्स आ गया तो पॉजिटिव आना है, अगर नेगेटिव है तो दैट मीन्स इट इज कॉन्केव. So power of lens is positive for convex and power of lens is negative for concave. I hope it is clear to you. So this is how numerical problems will be asked in your examinations. Now the last point that you have to very quickly understood there. If suppose you have so many lenses in contact, say for example you have lens with power P1, you have one more lens, it has a power P2, you have one more lens that has a power P3. So what will be the total power? The total power will be the resultant sum of the individual lenses. So what does it mean? Simply the total power will be equal to the sum of the individual lenses, that is P1 plus P2 plus P3. So here is the expression. So this is the combination of the power of lenses. Suppose you have three lenses in contact. So having P1, इसका से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लीजिएगा +2 डायोप्टर है, इसका 3 डायोप्टर है, इसका 4 डायोप्टर है, तो क्या आएगा आपका फुल आंसर? P1 के बदले लिखना है 2, P2 के बदले 3, P3 के बदले 4, 4 + 3 is 7, 8, 9. So P will be equal to +9D. Why plus beta? Because all the three are convex. I hope it is clear to you. तो अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे लेंसेज होंगे, इनमें कोई P1 होगा, कन्वेक्स होगा, कनकेव होगा, जहां कनकेव होगा वहां पे माइनस लगाना है, बाकी सिंपल प्रोसीजर P1 plus P2 plus P3 dash. So this expression is the power of lenses when the lenses are in combination. So I hope it is clear to you, and I hope you have enjoyed my lecture. And if you really like this video, please share, and if you are new, subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest notifications. Thank you. May Allah bless you and keep always learning. Bye.